Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Lightroom by Samuel. In this video we are going to make red-black preset. But before we start, for you who are joining this channel for the first time, press the subscribe button first. Okay, let's get started.
Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate
First, go to Lights. Adjust the exposure to -0.30. Highlights to +100. Shadows to -20. Whites to -50. And blacks to -100. Then go to color. Adjust the temperature to -2. Tint to +2. Vibrance +10. And the saturation to +20. If you're done, go to color mix. Red. Hue to +100. Saturation to +100. And the luminance to +36. Orange. Hue to -100. And the saturation to +100. Yellow. Swipe left the hue to -100. Saturation to -100. And the luminance +10. Green. Hue to -100. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -60. Aqua. Hue to -100. And the saturation to -100. Blue. Hue to -100. And the saturation to -100. Purple. Hue to -100. And the saturation to -100. Magenta. Hue to -100. And the saturation to -100. Click Done. Go to Effect. Adjust the texture to +10. Clarity to +50. Vignette to -20. Midpoint to +20. And the feather to +75. And last, go to Details. Adjust the sharpening to +12. Noise reduction to +20. And the color noise reduction to +20. And done. Now, let's use this preset to our other photos.
I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. All this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world
You can justify a little bit if needed.
heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next Adobe Lightroom tutorial.
If I can
Bye.
lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and